Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we have discussed regarding the tricks of two dices. So in this video we are going to discuss trick of three dices. So whenever the question is given regarding the three dices, so you should have to use this trick. So let's start with the question. So here is the question given: three dice are thrown together, then probability of getting total of 14. So here in this question they have given sum equals to 14. So these are the options. So we will start with the solution. So first of all, in any question we should have to find the sample space. The formula for sample space is n of s equals to 6 power n. So here 3 dice are thrown, so in the place of n we are taking 3, so 6 cube. So final answer will be 216. So your trick start from this. So your trick for solving 3 dice question will start from here. Whenever in the question the sum is given from 13 to 18, then you should have to use this formula: n of e equals to 19 minus sum into 20 minus sum whole divided by 2. You should have to remember this formula. In place of sum you should have to substitute the value which is given in the question. So we are substituting the value. Here the sum is given as 14. So 19 minus 14 into 20 minus 14 whole divided by 2. So after simplifying this we'll get the answer. Final answer is 15. So we know that formula for probability is P of E equals to N of E whole divided by N of S. So we got the value of N of E by using this formula is 15 and N of S value is 216. So final answer will be 15 by 216. So option B is the right answer. So like this, by using this formula you can directly find the value of N of E of some value from 13 to 18. So now we'll start with the second question. So second question is: 3 dice are rolled together, find the probability of getting sum equals to 6. So options are 10 by 216, option B is 21 by 216, and option C is 3 by 216, and option D is 15 by 216. So in this question sum is given as 6. So same, we should have to find the sample space. N of s equals to 6 cube, which is equals to 216. So here you should have to remember this formula: sum of sum minus 1 into sum minus 2 whole divided by 2. So you should have to use this formula when the sum is given in from 3 to 8. So in this question the sum is given as 6. So whenever the sum is given from 3 to 8, then we should have to use this formula. So formula for sum from 3 to 8 is sum minus 1 into sum minus 2 whole divided by 2. So in this question the sum is 6. So we are substituting the value of sum in this formula. So 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 divided by 2. So after simplifying this we will get this: 5 into 4 whole divided by 2. Then the final answer will be 20 by 2, which is 10. So we know that the formula of probability is N of E by N of S, that is 10 by 216. So our final answer will be 10 by 216. Option A is the right answer. So you take a screenshot of these formulas which I have listed here. So whenever the sum is given in the question from 3 to 8, then you should have to use this formula: sum minus 1 into sum minus 2 whole divided by 2. So N of E will be get from this formula. Then if in the question they have given some value from 13 to 18, then you should have to use this formula: 19 minus sum into 20 minus sum whole divided by 2. Then you will get the value of N of E. So in the question they have given the sum value as 9 or 12, then you should have to directly substitute the value of N of E as 25. You no need to solve for any more value of N of E. You can directly substitute N of E value as 25 whenever they have given the sum 9 or 12. Then whenever the value of sum they have given as 10 or 11, you can directly substitute the value of N of E as 27. So by using these tricks you can easily solve all the 3 dice questions of probability. So take a screenshot of this formula, and for more tips and tricks subscribe to my channel and share this informative video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.